What is going on, guys? So I gotta make this quick because I need to go meet up with some people, but I thought I would just let you guys know I am soon going to start doing 1 or 2 uploads throughout the week, along with our regular Sunday to Monday scheduled uploads. So keep an eye out for that, guys. So basically what it'll be is just like little updates of what I'm doing, how the car is, anything like future that I'm going to be doing on the car, or any maintenance that I'm doing that day, and just little stuff like that. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to keep you guys updated and pretty much updated on the Smoke Sideways life. So I hope you guys enjoy it, but let's get to the point right now. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be replacing my hood exit VBand exhaust clamp, whatever it's called, because it keeps coming loose, and I think that one's done because it's just been getting blasted by so much heat. And so how I noticed it was the other day after driving OSW after dark. What happened was I opened the hood and then I went to close the hood and it wouldn't go through the holes I just cut. And so that tells me the exhaust pipe is moving, or when it's under load, when the turbo's boosting, it's not tight enough, so the clamp is going bad and it's moving the exhaust to the right. To the right. So I'm gonna change that and then maybe start on this template for my firewall that I need to make to close this off to drive other events, and starting to get this car ready for Pro-Am next year. So it'll be like daily upload, like build stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the daily stuff. So let's get to it. And I'm trying to get used to this head thing more. So, all right, what I'll need is, I think it's a 13 for the V-band, get an extension, 13, ratchet. I can loosen it with the gun, with the hand ratchet. All right, let's get to it. Hopefully it's not hot. I did have the car on. Ah! No, I'm just kidding. It's not hot. It has cooled down. So let's do this. Move this guy out of the way a little bit. Is this one an 11? Okay, this one's an 11. The new one's a 13. All right, back to the toolbox. As I almost fall down. All right, got the 11. Don't drop that nut. Cool, got that guy off. Take that guy off, put this guy on, get it ready. Put that over here. I will need a flathead screwdriver. This one was good. And maybe, no, that's it. All right. I feel like I'm always stressed for time, guys. There's never enough time in a day. Super busy all the time. But yeah, if you need to change your V-band and you can't get it off, I guess this is gonna be like a little how-to. Just use a little flathead. Try to get it up in the crease of the clamp, and then just work your way around, and bam, it will be off in a second. Well, a couple seconds, but then you can slide this guy down from under there and proceed to remove the V-band. Ooh, and not drop the exhaust. All right. All right, got this guy off. Sweet, the new one is the same size. Fresh, old, old, fresh, fresh, old. Bling, 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 bling. All right. Anyway, I'm retarded. Let's get this guy on here. And when you put it on, you can start, after you start it by hand, you can hit it with the gun until you hear like a click, and then tighten the rest of it with the ratchet, because these are very easy to strip, so they don't need a lot of, they don't really need a lot of torque. So keep that in mind. Maybe I'll put it this way. Seems easier to access. And what I like to do is first I'll put it on the exhaust, and then I'll mate it to, whether it be the turbo or if you're doing it to actual real exhaust, put it on the piece that you have loose, and then put it on the piece you're joining, which is already on the car, because it just works out a lot easier that way. It's getting stuck over here. And my OCD is kicking in, so I'm trying to get it like perfectly perpendicular to the valve cover. Oh my god, I almost dropped a nut. Don't drop your nuts, guys. That's probably good. Right there should be good. Now before I tighten it, let's close it and see. So we'll need to move this crap out of the way. I'll put that in the bag in a minute. That's good right there. Actually, I'll just put this on here right now. Close that up. Oh, and as you guys can see, I just washed the car after Saturday. It was extremely filthy, so she needed a bath. Soon I'm gonna be, oh, also another update, soon I'll be ripping out the interior and painting the interior. So I think I'll go with white or maybe like a gray. Haven't decided, but one of those will be good. And I'm gonna keep the cage white because it stands out like that, and I like white. White is kind of like black, it just kind of goes with everything. All right, let's see where we are. Ooh, almost perfect. Give it a little slap, a little psh, 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 psh. Sweet. Ooh, that feels good. All right, anyway. I'll stop spazzing out. Tighten. On mode. On mode, off mode. On mode. Remember guys, always pull the wrench towards you, not away from you. I mean, right here, it'll be fine, but just keep it a good habit, because if you're in a enclosed area and you got like a piece of a car or something right here, and you go to move it this way and you exert a lot of force on it, you're gonna bust your knuckles up, and it ain't gonna be fun. And as soon as you feel it like really fighting you, you're good. Like I said, they're very easy to strip, so. But if you don't strip them, they'll last a long time. Yeah, she's good. Oh my god, I almost fell. All right. Make sure she's still aligned. Perfection. Another thing I need to do is I need to add my Mac valve so I can control the boost through the AEM. But that'll be another day. Put this away. Throw this old boy over here. Don't need him anymore. Discard pile. Psh. Need to throw this out. But anyway. Alright. don't know what that guy's talking about on the radio. 1311 ratchet. Alright, so now the fun stuff.